Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are good. Today we will learn properties of addition and we will work on book page number 24 to 25. Let's start. The first property of addition is commutative property of addition. And what is commutative property? The sum of the numbers remains the same even when the order of the numbers changes. Look at the sum of these two numbers. These are 5-digit numbers added with different arrangement and the sum remains same. Let's try this property for 2-digit number. So here we will prove this property for simple 2-digit numbers 11 and 42. Here 42 plus 11, 2 plus 1, 3, 4 plus 1, 5. Now we change the arrangement of numbers. 11 plus 42, 1 plus 2, yes 3, 1 plus 4, 5. Yes, this property has been proved for 2-digit numbers. Second property of addition is associative property of addition. The sum of numbers remains the same even though different numbers are grouped. Here this example has been given. You can check this property from another example also. Let's check. We will check this property for this simple 3 one-digit numbers but grouped differently. First, we will solve this part. 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 2, 4 as it is. 1 plus 2 is 3. Now we will solve. 5 plus 2 is 7 and 4 plus 3 is 7. Hence proved the associative property for one-digit numbers. And what is zero property of addition? Since 0 has no value, 0 means nothing. The sum of any number and 0 is the original number. It means if you add 0 in any number, the number will be same. Let's prove this property for any other number. If we add 7 plus 0, what will be the answer? 7. If we add 11 plus 0, the answer will be 11. This is called zero property of addition. Now we will solve practice zone on page number 25 with these properties of addition. The first part, 9980 plus dash is equal to the same number. Which number has been added? Yes, 0. So you have to try the rest of the parts to solve with the help of these properties and then match your answers with my answers. Good luck!